Here I've got iPhone X clone, and let me show you all the secret codes which will allow you to open secret modes on the following device. So at first open the phone dialer, and let's start with the first code which will open the hidden mode named Test in Menu. So just type *##4636 ###. And here we've got several options, so let's open phone information. You can find here email number, phone number if you have one, voice service, signal strength, and also you can run a ping test here. Just click on run ping test, and here you will see the results. And you can also check some other info here. Let's go back. And now we can go to usage statistics. So here you will be able to notice all the statistics of your application. So the time and the usage time, the last time used, and the others. So let's go back. Okay, so we are in settings. Let's open this code one more time. 4636 ###. And let's open Wi-Fi information. Here you can select the Wi-Fi APA. Let me open it at first, and you can check disable network, disconnected, enable network, and all the others. Let's go back and see what is in Wi-Fi configuration. As you can see, it's disabled, so this is the configured networks. You can see them here. Let's go back, and finally there is Wi-Fi status, and you can check the status of your Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi state, network state, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. As you can see, this time it failed. And that's it. Let's go to the second code. So let's open the phone dialer one more time, and let me enter *##426 ###. And as you can see, we are in Google Play Services. You can check ping, connect, disconnect, events, and also status here. So it's up to you. You can use it whenever you want to. It's very useful mode. It's from Google. Let's go back to the phone dialer, and now let's check all the events in calendar. So you can check all calendar events in one place. Just enter ***225 ****. And as you can see, if you will have a Gmail account here, or if you will have any events in your phone calendar, it will be all over here. You will also be able to notice all the events for the country that you are currently living in. So that was the third code, and let's go to the last very important code. So it's quick access to your email number. Just enter *#06#, and here it is. Here is your fake iPhone email number. So that's it. Now you can check your device whenever you want to. You can enter those codes and get some further info about this device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.